Press the power button to turn on the machine. Connect the roll holder to the machine and place the material into the cutting accessories. Align the edge of the smart material with the cutting mat slot. Press the load button to load the material into the machine. On the canvas, click text to edit your text and arrange it as you like. Choose an image you like from the library. Click Add to Canvas, and start designing. Position your image and text. Then click Flip to mirror the design. Click Make to enter the cutting preview. Select Smart Materials under Mode Selection. And set the right size. In Material Parameters, choose the correct material type. Adjust the image size based on your substrate's dimensions. Click Add to Task. Then click Start to begin cutting. Next, wait for the machine to finish cutting. Weed away the excess material. After weeding, place the design on the board, cover it with a Teflon sheet, and press it with heat. Once it cools, peel off the film.